Hello coin engineer, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna mention with you some tips and advices about technical analysis and some lines and other things on the chart. Probably you was a witness to some events, especially from traders. They say it like this, I will be on the long side or vice versa, I will be on the short side, and then they drawing some lines on their charts and then some cycles, time zones, pitchforks, etc. And then they made a decision and they made money, made some profits. You can ask question myself or to us, how can they do this? Today, I'm gonna share with you some advices and tips about that. And then, after watching this video, you absolutely will draw lines and you can do your own technical analysis on your own charts, and you will make a profit and make some monies, but it's not financial advice. Don't forget that, please, dudes. Let's get started our video. TradingView is a platform that allows its own customers for trading, for analyzing, and etc. And you can your own best trades thanks to TradingView and its mesmerizing user experience and user interface. Let's learn about it anymore. For doing that, you can click Get Started button, or you can click Apple, Tesla, Bitcoin, USD buttons for seeing directly relevant charts. Yes, that's a standard user interface for TradingView platform. On the left side, you can see the relevant tools for analyzing and doing some positions or building some positions. It doesn't matter. You can use these tools for drawing your charts, and then there are available some buttons and indicators and replay buttons, alerts, etc. I will touch it. I'm going to touch them. On the right side of the platform, you can see your own watch list and relevant assets, price details, and other details about ideas, for example, Bitcoin, USD parity, month, and you can add your own relevant note for relevant assets, for example, crypto, forex, futures, etc. And then you can see volume in there, average volume, market cap for relevant assets. On the bottom of the page, you can see some panels and testers and editors. I'm also going to touch them on the relevant sides of the video. If you don't want to miss out, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. And finally, you can see at the center of the page the relevant chart of the relevant parity. For example, I'm on the Bitcoin USD dollar parity on the 1 day time frame, and you can change the relevant interval, by the way, and you can see the chart and you can analyze, you can touch them, touch the candles thanks to TradingView mesmerizing platform, and you can see price actions, price movements, etc. And first of all, I'm gonna mention about tools. On the left side of the platform. First of all, you can see this button. This button is a standard button or default button. As you can see in there, I can touch these candles and this chart size using this button. Actually, this button have not any special features, but the line button, as you can see, you can draw any trends, downtrends or uptrends. Doesn't matter, you can use this trendline button. Just click it, and then you can use some other trendline tools for clicking this little bit button, and you can use ray, infoline, etc. what you want. For example, you can use pitchfork button, pitchfork tools for creating pitchforks on your relevant charts. For example, I want to draw on my chart just pitchfork, and you can just touch the relevant button on the two sides, and that's a pitchfork. Don't love me, dude, because I know it's not so bad, but it's not so good pitchfork. Anyway, and then you can use famous tools on the crypto market, Fibonacci retracement, and you can use Gann and Fibonacci tools clicking this button again. For example, there are available Fibonacci retracement, trend-based Fibonacci extension, Fibonacci channels, time zone, circle, spiral, wedge, etc. Yes, there are good opportunities for building some positions on the chart, but first of all, you need your own unique accounts. Getting any more opportunities and features to use on the TradingView platform. And TradingView platform is also says to us, please join for free our platform and use anymore. That's why we're clicking join for free button for creating an account on the TradingView platform. Yes, you will screen like this for signing up or signing in, but if you have no account, you absolutely must use sign up firstly. In there are available some opportunities for signing up easily. For example, you can click just Google button, or you can use your own Facebook, LinkedIn, Apple account, Yahoo, Twitter, formerly Twitter, and right now X platform. And you can just use your own email. For example, I want to choose my Google account for signing up on the TradingView. Yes, we are on the TradingView as individually, and we already had our unique account. So, what do I need our unique account on the TradingView platform? If you haven't any account on there, you can't absolutely save your own data and your charts and your analysis and etc. That's not so good feature. That's why you absolutely must sign up on there. And yes, go on to show and learn another tools for doing and building positions and drawing on the charts. And our next tools is patterns, and you can click this button again for getting any more. For example, you can use this template patterns for drawing on the charts and patterns, and probably you have knowledge about elite waves, and you can use elite impulse, correction, triangle, double combo, triple combo, etc. waves on the charts as easily. This is an advantage. I mean, instead of that, you can just click the trend line, for example, and you can draw in there some elite waves pattern, and then you can add some figures on the charts. It's so boring thing, but TradingView platform gives you opportunity like this. I mean, you can just click the Elliott impulse wave and you can just click for drawing easily for there. And as you can see at this time, TradingView drawing instead of you some figures easily, but sure, it's not end, because we have a lot of mesmerizing opportunities in there. I'm sure you can use cyclic lines, time cycles, sign line, etc. for drawing on your charts some cycles. And you can just click on the tools and you can click in there for drawing and seeing it, for example like this. Anyway, and then our next tools for seeing some projection or volume based and measures on the charts. For example, you need getting your own positions, but for example, you are so afraid of doing and taking this risk, but you can do it easily and freely on the TradingView. You can just click the long position button and you can apply on the chart. For example, like this, if you are predict like this, Bitcoin USD parity and Bitcoin price will increase rapidly, you can click this button and you can take profit and then you can set your own setup point. That's it. Thanks to this method, you can count and you can calculate your own risk and reward ratio, as you can see in there. That's it about these tools. And then you can use some volume based indicators, which means it's one of the most crucial profile and data for using trading. For example, you can use this volume profile data, and you can click this body of candle and you can use like this. I mean, in there is so strong area for price movement, and as you can see, price use in there like resistance area, and TradingView present this opportunity freely. Don't forget that. And then you can measure your own range, price range, date and price range simultaneously, etc. That's it about that. Give me a second for erasing this chart. And our next tool is brush. If you want to need some geometric shapes, you can click this little button again. In here you will face brush, highlighter, arrows, and some other geometric shapes for using on the chart. For example, you need to take notes on the charts on the relevant areas. You can use highlighter or brush. For example, I want to take notes some liquidity areas. For example, like this, you can click this highlighter button and you can add this button, these tools to favorites. For example, I want to take some liquidity areas as a note of my chart. I just use this highlighter tools and then I'm just click this there. That's it about that. As the same method, you can use arrow marker like this, and then you can use some geometric shapes. For example, if you are seeing some base round on there, you can take a note this base round on your chart for using rectangle shapes. And as the same method, you can use some other geometric shapes like this, and then you can take a note directly on your charts. Our next tools, this tools is text, and you can see some annotation tools. For example, anchor text. For example, I want to take a note on this liquidation area, and there I'm just click this button twice, and then you can add your relevant note in there, and then you can add any more as a your text or notes, and then you can locate your own relevant content, tweet, or your idea to your chart. By the way, if you want to add your idea or tweet like this, you must add your own link for adding idea or tweet. And our next tools is icon. You can click this little button for seeing additional icons for adding. For example, I want to add traffic lights button in there. That's it. You can use icons button like this, and you can add any more. And then if you want to measure your position and your profit or loss, you can use this measure button. For example, I want to build position on the chart, and I want to take my points as a take profit from there, and I want to see my profit as a percent. In there I need a measure, and you can click this beginning area and you can draw it to finish it. And as you can see, we have an almost 5% lost. And then you can zoom in, and then you can do on your chart zoom in or zoom out. You can just click this button and you can do it like this for doing zoom in on your chart. And if you want to come back, you can just click the zoom out button like this, and you can click again. That's it. And then we have a magnet mode. You can just click it this, and we have a magnet mode. To be honestly, this magnet mode, one of the best modes of me. For example, if you want to draw on your chart's range, but you can touch the candles to directly, and you can choose your own magnet mode for doing that. I'm sure first of all I must choose trendline for doing that, and then I can change my mode instead of magnet mode. As you can see in there, I have a magnet mode, and magnet mode is working very well, and you can use it like this. And if you want to stay in just driving mode, you can click this button, or vice versa, you can click or you can alt this button. And then if you don't want to erase or left your drawings on your charts, you can log all drawing tools for clicking that, and then you can't use. If you don't want to erase or left your own drawing tools, you can use log button. You can just click this button and you can log all drawing tools on your charts. For example, right now I'm choosing and I'm using this log button, and I can't use, for example, this rectangle on my charts. But dude, if you are choosing or using any drawing tools on your charts, it automatically, as you can see, it automatically opens it, and then you can hide all drawings on your charts like this, and then you can take a left like this, and you can remove all of objects which we are seeing them right now on our chart for clicking like this. And then right now we have 27 drawings and 0 indicators on our relevant chart, and you can click, for example, remove 27 drawings. That's it. We are clear that. And you can choose this parity from there like this. You can change it instead of forex, futures, crypto, etc. And you can find your own relevant crypto assets, for example Solana. As you can see, you can choose your own relevant parity, for example Solana Ether, Solana Bitcoin, British Pound, etc. And then you can change your own time interval, but it's so limited features on your basic plan. For example, if you want to doing scalp trading on the 30 seconds, and you can choose it, but you have no any opportunities on your basic plans for doing that. For example, right now I'm choosing 30 seconds time interval for doing this chart, but as you can see, it's not available our current plan, because our current plan is basic, and you need for seeing that your premium plan. And I want to add this premium plan is not so expensive. I mean, it's so plausible, it's so reasonable. I mean, a premium plan on the TradingView platform will present you some opportunities for doing and building your own relevant positions, and these positions will make money a lot. So that's why I'm saying that premium plan is so plausible. And then you can click just upgrade now button, and as you can see, essential plan is not so expensive like plus, like premium, because for example in premium plan you can get 400 active price, 8 charts in one layout, and 25 indicators per chart. And as you can see in there, we have a button compare all features, and you can compare these features and compare these plans for getting result relevant to you. Don't forget that TradingView platform understand you, and you can spend your own money in there, and you can change the chart type as a line or candles. For example, you can click this button for seeing your own chart as a line, and that's it. But it's not so recommendation, but I don't want to recommend the type, because in general, because usually I'm using our chart on TradingView platform like candles, and then you can add some indicators, metrics, and strategies using this indicators button, and then you can add your own scripts in there, and you can see some technicals. For example, you can see it in their indicators, strategies, profiles, and patterns from there. And you can visit some community scripts like you, for example, editors picks. In there are available some best indicators by editors and by TradingView platform, and you can see some top scripts and you can use it freely on TradingView platform, although you have no any premium or another plans. As the same method, you can see some trading scripts and indicators from there. For example, you are a day trader or swing trader and you want to spend or waste your time front of your screen, front of your computer screen. In there, you can use TradingView's mesmerizing opportunities and features like alerts. For example, if you are seeing like this, there's available resistance. Yeah, even I want to take it in there like this. And you can add your own alert from there. So how can I do this? Don't worry, dude. I will provide you for that. And you can just click your right button of your mouse on your trend line and you will see add alert on trend line. You can just click that. And as you can see, you can add your alert name, and if Bitcoin price will cross this trend line, TradingView directly will send you relevant alerts. And you can click this create button for creating relevant alert on 4 hours chart. And as you can see, TradingView has added such a good moment right now. As you can see, TradingView alerts on, and TradingView alerts is working very well, and you can edit your own alert and you can just click the X button. And then if you want to increase your own, for example, price action knowledges, or just you want to do backtest on charts, I say it again, TradingView platform presents another mesmerizing opportunities for you. But in there, Power replay opportunities, it's not open for all the platforms, for all plans. Unfortunately, you can't use replay opportunities on the basic platform on the all of time frames. For example, right now I am on the 4 hours time frame and I'm clicking replay button, but I can't do this because I need a Essential Plus or Premium platform. That's why I need an Essential Plus or Premium plan for doing that. But don't worry, I say it again, TradingView platform grasp and understand its own customers. You can do it freely on the daily time frame, and I'm clicking daily time frame button right now, and then I'm clicking replay button again, and then I'm cutting. Yes, right now you can do your own backtest on TradingView platform as easily and freely, and you can set your some chart settings and you can see your own charts on the full screen mode, or you can take a snapshot and you can publish your ideas with the publish button. Right now we are on the right side of TradingView platform. On the right side, our first tool is Watchlist. In there, you can add some assets to your watchlist, or you can get an advanced view for your watchlist. And you can get some types of your watchlist, and you can create new lists. You can import from another TradingView accounts or from another platforms, and then you can get some types like this: red list, blue list, for example, like this. And then you can track your own favorite assets freely and easily like this. But right now you need a essential or premium plan for adding more than 30 assets, and then you can take a look and you can control your own alerts from there. Right now, as you can see, I have a stop it and trigger it one crossing trend line alert, and you can remove it from there, and you can edit them like this, like clicking this button. That's it about it. And then you can track some data freely on TradingView platform. For example, we are on the Bitcoin USD parity on Bitstamp, and we have a open price, live price, closing price, high price, change, etc. You can track your own data from data windows, and then you can take a look object tree in there. For example, if you have a lots of drawings or lines and other things in there, and if you can't take a look your own charts, and if you can't control and manage, you can use object tree, and then you can take a look some gainers and losers from hot lists. And then if you are fundamental analyst, you can use this calendar, and you can see and track some important economic events from economic calendar, and you can change some countries. For example, right now I'm track just United States and European United, and sure, you can change another countries, and you can click this button for take a look just entire world. And if you have some ideas about your charts, about your parities, about your analysis, I don't know, you can add your ideas for doing like this, and then you can publish your private ideas. For example, first of all, I must add my private idea from there, and you can see them like my ideas, and then you can click plus button for publishing your own private ideas. And you can talking about economics, tradings, positions, or another positions, doesn't matter. From there you can chat as privately or publicly, and then you can take a look some streaming ideas for you or following ideas, and then you can track some live shows on the trading views, and you can get some knowledges about stocks, about tradings, and etc. And in there are available just, and right now we are on the bottom of the TradingView platform page. First of all, you can use screener from there. For example, you can change it instead of crypto pairs, forex screener, stock screener. But right now we are interested in crypto pairs screener. For example, you can set your own filters, and you can change your own time interval for getting opportunities for building your own position, or you can trade thanks to this method easily. But I want to add like this, you can change time interval. Yes, that's true, but you need a minimum of essential or premium plan for increasing or decreasing your time interval. For example, right now I'm on the basic plan, and I want to change time interval from 1 day to 4 hours or 5 minutes, and I'm just clicking that, but I can't do it because I need a minimum of essential plans. But right now my current plan is basic, and in there I'm just choosing daily, weekly, or monthly, and it's not enough for me, to be honestly. And then Pine Editor, if you are building or creating your own scripts or your own indicators on TradingView platform, Pine Editors is for you. And then if you have any strategy on there, you can test this strategy from there. You can load your strategy thanks to this button, and then you can take a look some brokers from trading panel. That's it about that, dude. It's so easily actually. If you don't want to miss out on learning anymore, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, join Telegram channel. See you on the next bullish time.